Hi, good morning. This is Shanti Sanjeev Kumar. Today I would like to explain the manufacturing, how the designing, everything is done. So, if any manufacturing company would they take, though initially the planning, terms of the planning would be done. What kind of a product they do, and what kind of the strategy they need to follow, and how the market strategy they needs to demand forecasting they need to create, and strategies to be followed, and planning. This kind of things should be discussed in the board of the directors. They create any company they create initially they start, and what kind of a product they are doing are electronics and computers, anything electronics in the sense fridge, refrigerators, then TVs, LCD TVs, and washing machine, compressors, the electronic goods, and your computers, laptops, like that. Any kind of a material, if you want to go for a manufacturing, you need in some certain sense. Otherwise, if you are a middleman, any company if they want to run, the planning of a board of directors should be there. What is their 5 year term plan, or what is the 10 year term plan? They would come. They would normally come with the things. And initially, before starting their productions, everything, the planning would be there. Where is the plant should be set up, and what is the manpower requirement is required for the setting a plant, and which kind of a labors are required, skilled labors and semi-skilled labors and unskilled labors. Skilled labors are required to maintain the plants. Unskilled, semi-skilled laborers are required to do the productions and helpful for the production. Unskilled laborers are required for the loadings or back the groundworks like that. So every end of the day, each and every person is important for the company's achievement goals, winning the success. Finally, the success whatever is getting, and the product should be come out. The each and person role is very important. So before manufacturing stage, normally the R&D department would do the designings. What kind of a product we are doing, what kind of a market is it is available in the market, and what is the competition is they getting, and what is the consumer expectations, what kind of a consumer expectations is there, what they are admiring, what their taste, this kind of a things they do the survey. The survey would be done in the countries, and they take the guidelines, they take the inputs of the experts. So which kind of a product we can go, and where we can win the consumers, and which country we need to target. See if you take any mobile industry, I'm telling just example. So we see actually, if you know about Motorola was closed, and immediately they acquired, and they did some quantity, some amount, maybe I don't know what is the quantity they have done. Manufactured some, like I just mentioning, like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, maybe more than that quantity. They have just handed over to online by the day, and they have just they had a tied up the online Amazon, Flipkart. The immediately one within one day, the full whatever the manufacturing stocks whatever was available, immediately every entire stocks was being sold. That was a strategy and planning, and they have tied up with the e-commerce business people. Then there is nothing. There is no problem at all. They got see whatever the amount was invested, the investment amount was came immediately in returns. This is here the strategy was planning, strategy was worked really very well, and their target was to India. See, any mobile industry, the target is first is India. Due to We have so many huge huge population. In that population, if 10 lakhs people are if you take 1 lakh people also, if they purchase their new product, the day one lakh 2 lakh people, if they purchase the whatever the purchase rates or ratings should be there in the Google, that rating should be shown, and that based on the ratings the other person can purchase, because the whatever the product which is coming, it is really beautiful, and the other person can easily influence, oh, I can take this product, there is a lot of demand, the product is really good, so he can even I can try that product. So with that whatever the this mass and the voice, this advertisement internal man to man, if I am purchasing, I would suggest to my friends, they are so and so phone is really introduced by the so and so company, the companies, the mobile features are really good, and that designing is really done, very well done. So this kind of advertisement would be given to internally by mouth advertisement. That is really for most powerful than any other media, advertisement medias. So like that, the sale was done. There behind there is a lot of strategy, and the planning, survey, everything was there. And, with their whatever the planning, strategy, they really finally they won. Like that, friends. What I'm to plan and manufacturing units for whomever is coming, they would come with the plans. So, so this whatever the this discussion, I will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.